Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix no service issue on iPhone. First, open up settings. Look for options cellular or mobile services. Tap on it. Now tap on the network selection option. Make sure the toggle next to the automatic is enabled. Go back and click on the mobile data option. Now tap on the voice and data. Make sure it is set to 5G on. Now go back to the main settings page. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect time zone settings can sometimes cause the no service issue. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner of your home screen. Toggle on the airplane mode and wait for a few seconds and toggle off the airplane mode. Now check for the signal. If the signal is still not available, then update iPhone. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If there is any update available, then update it. Reset network settings. For that, launch Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. After resetting the network, check for the signal. If the signal is still not available, then erase all content and settings. Open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Erase all content and settings. Then click on Continue. Now check the signal. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.